guys, welcome back to the Bigg Boss discussion. Sunday episode, last night, weekend cover, Salman Khan was there in the house, but the show started with Om Swami exiting the house. He had to make an emergency exit because of some legal pending cases he had. But apart from that, it was a completely out and out Ranveer Singh episode. Ranveer Singh was there to promote his film Befikre with Vani Kapoor. I have with me Kameshwari, who will tell us more about it.
Well, when you have Ranveer Singh on your screens, you can expect out and out energy with him, and whenever he's completely befikre whenever it comes to a task, a performance, or talking to somebody in the house, or even with Salman Khan, we saw him doing all the masti that he could. Well, he went into the house and gave a task, a befikre task, which was a day task to the contestants. And who did really well was Jason Shah, who did a pole dance.
He was a surprise package last night.
He could actually impress Vani Kapoor, but Ranveer Singh was very, very impressed with Mona Lisa and her moves, of course. And then later on, he shared the screen space in the stage with Salman Khan. And what happened next was an amazing sequence where we saw how big a fan he is of Salman. He also showed a few clips of himself donning the same kind of avatar for every release of Salman.
We even got to see the video which got public during the Sultan release, where he's dancing on the stage. That happened, I think,
in Paris,
in the theatre. Paris, so that was shown to Salman, and Salman was actually quite shocked to see what a big fan Ranveer himself is.
And also he also said कि यार ऐसे screen पे जाके don't mess my movie for others. And so we know what kind of attention seeker Ranveer Singh is. He totally nails it.
It was completely like a no bar, no strings attached episode, but in a very different way, because it was about his adulation for Salman Khan. I think even Vani Kapoor got a little subdued because of this, but it's okay. I mean, that's Ranveer Singh and it's his full-on energy package.
And what also happened was he was sent in the house again, and there were some hoardings of other celebrities, and he had to mimic everybody, and he just nailed it totally.
Awesome.
I mean, he nailed Shah Rukh Khan,
Anil Kapoor, Sanjay Dutt,
and Anil Kapoor, of course. They have shared the screen space with
Arjun Kapoor.
And
we've seen how they've been like.
Chaddi buddies kind, not even father-son relationship, but then when they were off screen, they were totally like a friendship bond and stuff. So later on, we also saw that the housemates were told to spray on each other's faces if they know that some kind of dialogues have been said behind their back. What do you have to say about that? Throw some light. What was it about?
So basically it was another fun task that Salman played with the housemates. He actually, Bigg Boss told them a particular line which somebody must have used against them, but then they had to guess, and whatever their guess was, they had to spray on that person's face. Loads of them guessed it correctly, many made mistakes, but then it was it was interesting to see how they think about each other behind their backs. Apart from that, we saw Elena being evicted last night. So she walked out of the house as the contestant, apart from Swami Om walking out without any nomination. So there are two people who left the house, and today we'll see even Manu leaving the house. Why? You'll get to know in tonight's episode. Stay tuned. We'll be back with another review tomorrow.